What is up, guys? I am back again with another video. Essentially it is another shoe unboxing, quick look, whatever you want to call it. It is essentially the M2K Tekno. Honestly, sounds like a genre of music. It is Nike M2K Tekno. I did say it right. Essentially the shoe is another Nike dad shoe, which essentially they had Nike dad shoes, but they were very plain and bold, and then they came out with these plain and not bold, and then they came out with these bold color dad shoes that essentially appeal to the younger generation and to the fashion crazed fanatics. And I fall under that category. I don't know about fashionable, but essentially the shoe it was sold out just about anywhere, which was strange. And honestly, it only retailed for like $100, and it was sold out everywhere. And they had many colorways. One of the most popular one is the one that I have in my hand. As you can see, it is M2K Tekno. It comes in a red box. It clearly says Nike on it. And you open it up, and honestly, it's just wrapped. Nothing special, Ooh. But then you get to the shoe. Essentially, I ended up getting the women's shoe due to the fact that the men's is not available. And the woman looks just like the men's, and they look just identical, except I think the woman's is brighter and the men's is duller. Like the color is dull, like the orange and the blue, they're much dull, and then in the woman's it's much more brighter. But essentially they're the same thing, as you can see. And then at first I was kind of like, nah, I shouldn't get it. But I ended up getting it due to the fact that I got two pairs. I got a 6 and I got a 10. 10 for me, and then the 6 to resell, because I saw on StockX somebody was like offering like $150, $160 for the shoe, and it ended up coming up on Nordstrom.com. They had like this sale or this sneaker release thing. I guess they were hoarding shoes, and they had planned this whole special event around it. Well, not really planned, because I didn't know until the morning. They sent an email stating like all the releases, whatever. They literally released Off-Whites, Off-White collabs with Nike, like all the tennis shoes they basically released, like the Prestos, I believe, the white and black. They had the M2K Teknos. They had so many different shoes that basically were sold out everywhere else, but somehow they were hoarding them, or did they not sell them when everybody else sold them, and they had like a whole special day just to like the shoes. That Air Maxes, they had so many like limited releases, and this was one because I was late to the party. I was sleeping in bed as opposed to checking my email, but yeah, I ended up getting this one. Honestly, it's super cool. It has two Nike little branded things there. It has leather orange, leather blue, leather white. It honestly looks like the Nike Air Monarchs. Instead, it's just more bolder. The Nike logo got smaller, and it's embroidered. And plus, you get the second one. I'm gonna insert a pic of the Nike Air Monarchs right in the side, if like I know how to do that technical aspect of editing. So you guys can see the difference. Got a big Nike swoosh in the inside, and honestly, it's like really comfortable. Like at first when I received the shoe, I was like, it looks like a big fat shoe. I was like, I don't know if I can pull this off, but honestly, I've worn it once already, and it was very comfortable. A lot of people did look at my feet, because the shoe is, of course, look at the colorway. You're gonna get some attention whether you want it or not. And honestly, super fly shoe, and it's actually very comfortable. And like I was saying, it's very comfortable. The inside has like this, honestly, it's like, I don't know, like, like those Tempur-Pedic beds, it's kind of like that. You like step on it, and your feet kind of just like sink into it. I don't know, it's such a weird thing, but they're very comfortable. And like I said, they are women's shoes, and if you ever find a shoe that you like, but it's not available in men's, but it's available in women's, all you have to do is basically, if you're a size 8, add 1.5 to it, so basically a 9.5 in the women's would fit you. But make sure to read the description, because sometimes like I have to go 2 sizes up, because Wait, no, actually, I may not have. I'd want to have 9, 10. Yeah, I know how to do math. Essentially, yeah, go half size, but just make sure to read it because the women's shoe is usually more narrow. So just make sure to read it, or like the reviews, or if it's like a really new shoe, they'll say like narrower than most, go up a size, and if that's the case, then just add half a size, another size to your 1.5. But yeah, let me give you a quick view at it. Oh, and it has like this plastic thing on the back here, like I don't know, like that really adds with this line. Kind of gives it like that, like they're coming together type of thing. But I don't know, it's just very balanced, well designed shoe, and it has the leather, orange and the blue, the Nike logos there. See, why is this one like better? The sun isn't hitting it that much, but yeah. Wow. I'm so good at taking videos like that, look around. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys want more videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, watch my previous videos. And that is all I have for you guys today, and I'm trying to get a thumbnail as I talk, and see you next time.